So you want to buy your next home and you're not sure if your credit score is good enough to allow you to qualify for a loan. Maybe you're even in a position where your current lease is about to expire and you have to either go out and try to find another rental or take the plunge and purchase your own property. Hey everyone, this is Michelle Martinez. I'm the broker and owner of Real Estate Powerhouse here in Miller Place, New York. And today we're talking about how to get your credit score up as quickly as possible. Well, I'm sure you've heard just how important it is to have a good FICO score, or maybe you've even experienced this firsthand. Not only will a good FICO score allow you to qualify for a home loan, but the better your score, the lower the interest rate, resulting in A, a lower house payment, or B, the bigger home you'll qualify for. Really, the first step is knowing where you are right now. And the second is to have a professional analyze your credit report and see if there are any easy fixes. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you have 3 credit cards and each have a $10,000 credit limit. One of the cards currently has a balance of $9,500, but the other 2 have a low balance of only under $1,000 each. The card that is at 95% of its limit is killing your credit score. If you can pay it down to get it to, say, under 30%, that would dramatically help your score. But if you don't have an extra $6,500 laying around, you can balance the load of your debt across all 3 cards, and all of them will be around at 30% or 35%, which actually will help your credit instead of dragging it down. So Michelle, how do I check my credit report and how do I get a plan to raise my score rapidly? My advice is to talk to a trusted mortgage lender, and I don't mean one of those online companies that are located somewhere in Timbuktu. I will tell you that not all lenders are created equal, but a good loan officer will take the time to analyze your credit report, run it through the rapid repair software, and advise you on what you can do to increase your FICO score. They can often advise you on how to get your FICO score up anywhere from 10 to 50 points or more in a matter of a week or 2. So, well, increasing your FICO score rapidly is one of the many great ideas to get you on track to becoming a homeowner. Watch for more videos in this buyer series, or feel free to reach out to us here at Real Estate Powerhouse and let us design a custom plan for you to make sure you know where you're going.